You can easily change and customize the desktop image or wallpaper on your Mac computer. You have a bunch of built-in options that Apple provides, but you may want to change it to a photo that you've taken or some that you found online. Let's take a look first at setting it to a picture that you have on your computer. Again, this could be a photo that you've taken or a popular wallpaper found online like this Stranger Things one here. First, we need to save the image to our computer. When you find the image that you want to use, right-click on it and choose Save Image. Next, save it to a location that you can easily find. I like to save wallpaper images to my Documents folder. Next, open a new Finder window and find the image that you just saved. In my example, inside of Documents. Once you find it, just right-click on the file and then here at the bottom, select Set Desktop Image. It'll then change your desktop wallpaper to the image that you want. Now let's take a look at how to customize how it appears on your desktop. You'd want to do this, say, if the image wasn't scaled all the way across the screen. Open System Preferences. Inside of here, select Desktop and Screensaver and then choose the Desktop tab. Here at the top, you'll see your desktop image with a drop-down underneath of it. You can switch between these options, Fill Screen, Fit to Screen, Stretch, or Center, and find the one that works best for your screen. When you're good, you can just close Preferences. But before we head out, we'll take a look at the built-in options that Apple gives us. Inside of the left-hand menu, select Desktop Images. Now in the section on the right, you'll see a bunch of different backgrounds. The dynamic ones here at the top change throughout the day based on your location. Under that, you have light and dark desktop images that let you manually choose between light or dark or do it on its own. And finally, at the bottom, you have basic images that you can choose from. And that's how you change your desktop wallpaper image on a Mac computer.